This video demonstrates the new Merge Survey Projects command in Trimble Business Center version 3.70. This is an exciting new command that allows users to merge multiple VC projects into one master VC project. I'll demonstrate this command by using several projects of different data types in the same surveyed area into one master project. Right now I have a blank master drawing for which I'm going to merge other VC files in. One of the benefits of using the Merge Survey Projects command is that it allows users to make edits in the original VC projects and maintain those edits once merged into a master VC project. First, we'll take a look at the other VC projects that I have that I'm going to merge into this master. First is a topographic survey using GNSS. You can see that the feature codes for this have already been processed. So the edit I'm going to make in this will be selecting a point and editing the name of that point. Call it -1. You can make other edits such as the feature codes, layers, etc. Another edit that I'll make will be in the vector spreadsheet, and I'm going to change for point 21 the antenna height to 2.5. Okay, I'm going to save these edits. Next, I'll make some edits in the second project, which is a traverse project. As you can see in this project, there's already been a traverse performed. To make edits to this, we're going to select one of the mean angles and change the instrument height to 2.0 meters. And we'll save that edit. Next file we're going to look at is a GNSS static survey. And in this one, we are going to open up the vector spreadsheet. Here we'll change the vector 5 to fray to disabled. And we'll open up the occupation spreadsheet and change the antenna height for the first session of B412 to 1.000 meters. And then we'll save the edits in this project. Finally, we'll move on to the final project, which is a level loop. Here we can go to the level editor and see the level loop that's been performed. I'm just going to change one of the foresight measurements, and I'll adjust the run, press OK. Okay, now that we've made edits to all 4 projects, we can go back to the master project. To access the Merge Survey Projects command, go to the Survey ribbon underneath Import and Export header and select Merge Survey Projects. This brings up a dialog box that allows the user to select a file folder for which to find VC projects to merge. As you can see, this folder contains all 5 of the projects that we're using in this demonstration. You can select one or more projects to merge. In this example, I'm going to select one. So first, we'll select the traverse and press OK to merge. So this traverse has been merged. Now I made an edit here before to the mean angle. So we'll select this here and go to properties. And you can see the raw instrument height that I changed. That edit carried over from the original project. Notice that there's some flags displayed in this project that weren't displayed in the original traverse project. This is due to the settings in the master project being different from that of the traverse project. The settings that are set in the master project are preserved over the merging process. So now we'll merge another project. We'll choose the level data. You can see here that the project coordinate systems are different between the 2 projects, and this allows you to select to keep the existing project definition or to change it to the import files project coordinate definition. I'm going to select keep the existing project definition, press OK. You can see that there's several duplicate points between the two projects being merged. You can choose to merge these points or leave unmerged and also rename. So if I select this, there's an option for renaming unmerged points and several options for how you want to rename those. In this case, I'm going to merge all of the points. As you can see, there's no difference in the coordinate values except for 6.2. And we'll import. Okay. Now if I select the level editor, I can see that the run from the level project has been imported with all of the backsite, foresight measurements and the adjusted elevations, as well as the edit I made to this foresight observation. Next, we'll merge the GNSS file. Once again, it asks to maintain the project definition or take the imported files. I'm going to maintain. And you can see that the vectors have been brought in from the GNSS file. And now if we zoom in, we can see how this project all fits together. Now we'll look at the edits that I made in the GNSS project. So in the vector spreadsheet, you can see that the vector between 5 and Frey is still disabled. And as well in the occupation spreadsheet for B412, the antenna height change I made has been maintained. Finally, we have one more project to merge, and that is the topo. Notice on the right hand side, for the topo project, it brings up a message saying partially imported. This message is generally displayed when information from other projects that is contained in that project have already been imported or merged. This is nothing to worry about in this case. This is saying that the points included in the topo project were also included in one of the other merged projects or the master project itself. So we'll select the topo project and merge. Okay, you can see that the topo data has been imported. So we'll exit out of the merge survey projects command and zoom in. The feature code processing hasn't been maintained from the merge survey projects, but this is a simple fix. As long as you're using the same feature code library from project to project, you can simply reprocess the feature codes. I haven't set the feature code library, so I'll do that right now. We'll reprocess the feature codes, and all the line work and polygons come back. So now let's check to see that the edits I made in the topographic data are maintained. So first is the vector spreadsheet. You can see for point 21, I made an edit to the antenna height, and that's maintained, 2.5 meters. As well as I changed one of the points, 452AA to 452-1. You can see that's also maintained. Finally, we'll look at the traverse adjustment and the network adjustment. These were contained in other projects that were merged into this master project. So if we look and select here, our traverse is still here, and you can see that the traverse adjustment information is maintained. Next, we'll select the network adjustment. Here you can see that the network adjustment hasn't been maintained. This is a simple fix. Just select the points that you used for your network adjustment and your constraints and rerun the adjustment. and the adjustment has been performed. So you can see this is a very useful command when dealing with multiple VCE projects. This allows users to merge these VCE projects into one master project and maintain all the edits that they have made in the individual projects. This concludes a demonstration on the new Merge Survey Projects command in Trimble Business Center's version 3.70.